officially looks like summer, guys. You know what that means. Summer lifts, beach videos, fucking summer videos, all sorts, barbecues, pools. I cannot wait for the lot. So I'm going to go and hit a leg day. I'll take you through a day in the life. The next video that comes out, you're going to love. It's going to be like a weekend vlog. I'm going to go to the gym, going to cook, going to go to the beach, going to go to the pier, do all sorts of shit. But for today, it's going to be a leg day, and I'll see yous probably when I'm making breakfast. Realistically, do I want breakfast? No. Have I got a choice but to make and eat breakfast? No. That's the only part that doesn't sit with me when it comes to bulking. I'm not a big fan of eating, specifically in the mornings, and when it comes to breakfast, just looking at all that in there. Why is there Nutella in the fridge? But looking at all that in there, it just doesn't please me whatsoever. Thought about protein, but honestly I cannot do eggs and stuff this morning, so I went for a corner. I'm going to make some toast, milk, and in all fairness, I really want protein, but I know that I'm just not going to end up eating eggs, beans and all that, so I might make a protein shake. Cannot wait for the pool and the barbecue and the music and the stunning videos. Actually, the videos are going to be immaculate as well. I did accidentally burn the Nutella, so I've had to go for some jam action, but that's okay. Currently just making some milk, and yeah, that's my breakfast sorted. So I've got the homemade buttermilk, and I'm just adding spices to the flour to dip the chicken in when it's defrosted, which I'm going to do through the microwave. As well as that, I do have to leave the chicken soaking in the homemade buttermilk for about an hour before letting it fry, so I'll take you through that whole scenario when it comes to be, but until then, I think when I'm letting the chicken soak, I'm going to take a cat nap, and I'm going to just let my mum wake me up because I am shattered. And in all fairness, it is a rest day, but I'll explain more when I wake up. I'll remember to saying when one muscle group is not great at all and I can't train it, I won't train it, but if another group is completely okay, I'll go and train that. Essentially, I've cut this down into strips, slices, whatever, and I'm going to leave them in this homemade buttermilk for about an hour. If you're like me and you didn't have time or are short on time and don't have buttermilk, literally all you need is milk and vinegar, salt and pepper if you want, and seasoning of your choice if you want. That's literally it. And so you let that sit for about 10 minutes. That was the case while I was letting my chicken defrost, and I sorted my fryer shit out. And yeah, I'll see yous back here. Oh god, right, 5 to 8 centimetres deep. I'm going to end up using all of my mum's oil there. With that being said, I'll turn the oven on, and I've got to put that to a 4 or a 5, meaning 170 degrees roughly, I think it said. Oh my god, I can't even pick it up. Nice. I don't like wet flour. When you used to cook and make pizza in primary school, that would be the only thing that would get on my tits, having wet fucking sticky flour on my hands. It actually disgusts me. It is officially time, I think, to go ahead and put the chicken in. If not, I'm so sorry to myself. Oh, it's not too aggressive. Okay, that's a bit aggressive. I don't know what to think at the moment. 5 to 7 minutes. So, we'll see.
We want these things looking crispy brown.
I'm not even gonna lie, guys. I'm gonna impress my college teachers with my fucking cooking skills. It says to dry cook these wraps for like 30 seconds at a time, but I don't think it's gonna work.
These shits is done.
Now I'm gonna head upstairs and do my camera work. Just nice, nothing more to say. That is just gorgeous. Well done, Charlie. This looks so nice and I cannot wait to eat it. Unfortunately, because of the mishaps with the cooker, I wasn't able to use it, and therefore, what happened with the light in there, sorry guys, but therefore I wasn't able to properly melt the cheese, so it's not melted 100%, but it still looks gorgeous. So I'm going to eat the shit out of this. I kept on falling asleep, but I am pretty much ready to hit legs now. So yes, I have got my Onyx underneath because I plan on, as well as hitting legs, just hitting a light session of chest and a light session of biceps. Not going to go too heavy though, just simply because my shoulders and my brachioradialis, that muscle there that goes along your side, your forearm, absolutely killing me. Good thing, yes. Bad thing because I want to train biceps, but I am just extremely ready to go out on my way. It is cold and dark, but I'm so excited to hit legs. I've got some pre-workout, I've got my big bottle of water in my bag, an extra bottle of water in my bag. Cannot wait to film tonight. I cannot wait to get a beautiful pump. I cannot wait! Starting with a Smith machine squat. I've set a dumbbell on I've set a plate down on the floor to get leverage on. I cannot be arsed. I've got to set up plates. These aren't mine, so yeah, I'll see you in a sec. Warm up set, yeah. My legs are dead, guys, I'm not going to lie to you. I did just go and do 2 sets of 10 on pec fly, and I'm moving on to a inner thigh adduction machine. So yeah, I'm very sweaty, but let's do this. This is legitimately like my second time ever hitting cable cruncher. They feel blocky as shit, so I'm going to just show you what I'm doing. I've been this whole time. I got a beautiful pump. I'm not even 200% sure if I got the best videos on my camera, but I'm going to download the videos on my way home, have a look at them and stuff, because I fell asleep before coming to the gym, it feels like it's early in the morning, but it's not. It's nearly 12 o'clock at night. So when I do get home, I'm going to cook some food and chill, probably edit for a bit. So I'll take you through that, and yeah. I'm absolutely starving, guys, and to end off the night I'm going to cook some chicken and egg fried rice, and I'm going to sit over at my desk and I'm going to edit for a bit.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
Alright guys, I'm absolutely shattered. It is 2:03 in the morning, and yeah, I'm gonna jump in bed and probably catch up with you guys in the morning. So yeah, I'll see you then. I would like to make a massive thank you if you've watched to this point and Anyway, so my room's looking, other than the bowls of pasta that I already ate over there, my room's looking snazzy as balls. Yeah, I hope you've enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next one.